Hi everybody, Jason here. Today I'm going to show you a quick way to convert CIF files to PDB files for importing into Blender. In one of my previous tutorials I showed you how to create stunning images and molecular structures in Blender by importing PDB files using the Atomic Blender add-on. One of the disadvantages of this approach is, in many cases, PDB files don't contain bond connectivity. In the case that I previously showed you, the water molecule in this case doesn't have a hydrogen to oxygen bond. And a lot of times we'd like to see that bond connectivity when we render an animation. CIF files, or crystallographic information files, are commonly used for visualizing crystal structures. And in the file they actually contain bond connectivity. But unfortunately you can't load CIF files directly into most animation software like Blender. So to capture the bond connectivity, I'm going to be using Mercury from CCDC to actually convert the CIF file to a PDB file which has all that bond connectivity still loaded in the PDB file, so that when I load it into Blender software, we can actually see chemical bonds in addition to the atoms. If you already have a CIF file that you've obtained from a crystal structure, great. Or if you'd like to practice converting a CIF file to a PDB file, open source CIF files can be found from Crystallography Open Database. Now after you've downloaded and installed Mercury, go ahead and open the CIF file. Next, what we're going to do after we've opened the molecule is just resave this file as a .pdb file. And if you open this PDB file now in a text editor, you see that you not only have the 3D coordinates of every atom, but you also have bond connectivity now included as well. Now let's go into Blender and then load our recently created PDB file. So what I'm going to do is first delete the object as the default, and then go to File, Import, and then PDB here. Then I'm just going to go to the file that we recently created, select the PDB file, and then I want to make sure that the bonds is checked here. And then import PDB. Now if we click on wireframe mode and zoom in on the molecule, we can see not only atoms, but also sticks as well. And if you take a look at the scene collection, you can see that every atom has its own atom mesh and stick mesh. So I hope you found this tip useful and can use this approach to make some amazing images to some of the structures that you have. If you found this video useful, please like it and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks!